Remember anything. Spaced repetition. Have you ever spent hours cramming for an exam or a presentation, only to realize 2 days later that 90% of that information has completely evaporated? It's not because you have a bad memory. It's because you're fighting against the way your brain is wired. This is the forgetting curve. It shows how quickly we lose new information. But there is a cheat code to flatten this curve and lock knowledge into your long-term memory. It's called the Spaced Repetition System, SRS. What is spaced repetition? Spaced repetition is a learning technique that involves reviewing information at increasing intervals. Instead of seeing a fact 10 times in one night, which is massed practice, you see it 10 times over the course of weeks or months. Cramming. 10 hours in one day equals rapid forgetting. SRS. 10 minutes times 10 days equals permanent memory. The secret lies in the spacing effect. By reviewing the material right when you're about to forget it, you force your brain to work harder to retrieve that memory. That heavy lifting signals to your brain, hey, this is important, keep it. How the system works. The system usually follows a schedule like this. Review, 1 day after learning, 3 days later, 7 days later, 2 weeks later. If you get it right, the gap gets wider. If you get it wrong, the clock resets and you see it again tomorrow. You're essentially hacking your brain's biology to ensure maximum retention with minimum effort. Tools to get started. You don't need a PhD to do this. You just need the right tools. Anki, the gold standard. It uses a powerful algorithm and is highly customizable. RemNote, great if you want to take notes and turn them into flashcards simultaneously. Physical flashcards. Use the Lightner box method if you prefer the tactile feel of paper. The pro tips. Tip 1. Keep it simple. One card should have one idea. Don't write a novel on a flashcard. Tip 2. Active recall. Don't just read the answer. Force your brain to produce it before you flip the card. Tip 3. Consistency is key. SRS works best if you do your reviews every single day. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes, but it makes all the difference. Stop studying harder and start studying smarter. Spaced repetition is the difference between knowing something for a week and knowing it for a lifetime. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to level up your mindset and your life.